activity. Let us do an activity to find out the different types of blood cells. I have taken a drop of blood on a slide and now observing it under microscope. We can see red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes and platelets. Plasma forms 55% of the total volume of blood. Plasma is a complex fluid containing inorganic salts and organic compounds like albumins, globulins and fibrogens, glucose, amino acids, lipids, vitamins, enzymes, hormones and waste materials like urea and uric acid. Human red blood cells are circular biconcave and denucleated and more in number. It has iron containing conjugated protein called hemoglobin, due to which they are red in color. Leukocytes are amoeboid, nucleated and whitish. They are larger in size but less in number. They are of two types, agranulocytes without granules and non-lobed nucleus. These are of two types, monocytes and lymphocytes. Granulocytes containing cytoplasmic granules and lobed nucleus. They are of three types, neutrophils, acidophils and basophils. Blood platelets are minute, anucleated, fragile fragments of giant bone marrow cells called megakaryocytes.